casual outfits were definitely not created equal. Some casual outfits are nice, while others appropriate, but there are some that are absolute fire. Fire! I'm talking smoking hot. Gentlemen, today I'm going to show you 3 of my favorite casual looks or outfits that are absolutely guaranteed to make you super hot. All 3 of these looks, in my opinion, are super sexy, but they're still casual. You know, there's a misconception that in order to look really good and look super hot, you've got to like dress super up, and that is absolutely not the case. All of the clothing that I'm going to be wearing and featuring will be linked down below, so if you guys like any of the things that you see, you can grab them, because everything comes from today's video sponsor, OuterKnown. OuterKnown is a super hot new company that was started by pro surf god Kelly Slater. One of the things that Kelly was frustrated with was that he felt like you had to either pick between looking good and being responsible in terms of the environment. And so he decided to change that. The brand OuterKnown is all about style meeting sustainability, and it's one of the things that absolutely makes me so excited to talk about it. Other than the fact that all their clothes that I'm wearing, like, oh my god, like they are so incredible, it is ridiculous. The t-shirt, like, anyway, here's the deal, guys. There's a link down below to go check out OuterKnown. All of the items that I'm going to show you will be there, so if you're interested, you can grab them. But not just grab them, you can grab them at a ridiculous deal, because if you hit our special link and go to our landing page, they have an insane discount for you guys to try it. The beautiful thing about OuterKnown is that all of their stuff is casual, but it's still like super like refined. The fits are all flawless. I absolutely love OuterKnown, and I know that you guys are going to as well. And the fact that they are doing good and trying to make you look incredible but still having a healthy impact on the environment, I personally think is super cool and worth your support. And so I'm excited to show you their clothing. Outfit number 1, it doesn't get any better. Boom, outfit number 1. It doesn't get any better, any sexier than a great pair of fitted black denim jeans. These jeans are from OuterKnown, and they are absolutely ridiculous. Like, their whole thing is denim, and each of the 3 outfits I'm going to be wearing a different pair of their denim, but that was something that I'm a huge denim slut, right? I love jeans, and so I will base like my opinion of a company on their denim, and when I slipped on their slim fit jeans, I absolutely fell in love. What? Check it out. What do you think? In my opinion, every guy needs a pair of black denim in his wardrobe. It's sexy, it's stylish, and it makes you feel and look like a super stylish, sexy ninja. I paired it with a pair of great Chelsea boots and this perfect, super soft pocket tee that also comes from today's video sponsor, OuterKnown. Not in the light blue? No problem. What? Gray? How? Seriously. So outfit number 1, in my opinion, is like a must-have. Every guy needs it in his wardrobe because it's perfect, right? As long as the jeans fit you well, the t-shirt fits you incredibly, and you pair it with a cool pair of boots or sneakers, you are killing it. But you're also killing it in outfit number 2. Who doesn't love an incredibly sexy fitted sweatshirt? Exactly. I do. I know you do. Guys, this isn't your daddy's sweatshirt. This is super high quality. The fit is flawless. The fabric is it's not like a regular sweatshirt. It's kind of like a nice sweatshirt, but it is crazy comfortable and it's super affordable. I paired it with a pair of OuterKnown gray light wash slim fit jeans, which are absolutely perfect, and I combined it also with a pair of gray Pumas. This sweatshirt is one of the greatest sweatshirts I've ever tried on. It reminds me a little bit of the brand Rag & Bone, if you guys are familiar, but the price is like a quarter of the price of Rag & Bone clothing, and the quality and sustainability is like up here. Rag & Bone is like down there. It's just a great product. It's casual, it's comfortable, it's fitted, it's super sexy, and like I said, the jeans, you have got to check out OuterKnown's jeans. The denim is flawless, but this is a great casual look, something to put on when the weather starts to change. It's getting a little cooler outside, but you still want to look super fresh. Option number 3. Boom, outfit number 3, which is also casual, but still super sexy and is going to set you apart from all of your friends and all the other dudes out there chasing those spicy senoritas. I went with a great pair of non-distressed dark wash jeans, along with a pair of suede chukkas, fabric belt, and a white button up, rolled up at the sleeves, of course. In my opinion, this outfit is pretty close to perfect in terms of a casual option that's just elevated to that next level of sexiness, right? The button-down shirt tucked in with the fabric belt sets it apart from everybody else. Dark wash jeans, always appropriate. You could also rock the dark wash jeans along with the chukka boots with a t-shirt or a sweatshirt and still look equally dynamite. One of the biggest misconceptions out there in terms of style is that casual clothes can't be like dressed up, put together, and look super sharp. Guys, these three outfits or combinations are examples of how you can take casual items and just elevate it to that next level. You're still casual, you're still comfortable, but you look like super damn sharp. Guys, that's the beautiful thing about Outerknown, the new brand that I'm talking about today, and why I'm so excited. They've taken casual staples and just elevated them, and they are absolutely killing it. I love the sustainability that they're offering, and the deal that they're giving you guys. If you want to go check them out, there's a link down below, is nuts. Guys, if you haven't checked out Outerknown, there is no better time, because I have a feeling that once people start hearing about it, it's going to be a little bit harder to get the clothing, because it literally is so affordable, it's sustainable, they're doing good for the environment, and they're also doing good for your style. Guys, link below, check them out. And thank you, Kelly Slater, for doing something that should have been done a long time ago, in my opinion. You know, because literally, before you had to pick whether or not you wanted to look good or look like a granola eating hippie. And this is just proof that you don't have to. Guys, thanks for watching. Link below. Check out Outerknown. And thank you once again, Kelly Slater, for hooking it up. Thanks, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.